Ooh, that's right. It's that time of year again where we do spooky stuff. And thanks for checking out this latest videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. And today's lesson, as you can see, that little character up there, everyone should know who he is, and that is Count Dracula. Blah, blah. Did you ever wonder what they might have looked like when they were a little kid or young? Well, that's what we did with this illustration, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to play up with this one and several of his other gang members coming up in the days ahead. So stay tuned for young Count Dracula, Frankenstein, the werewolf, and the mummy, and a whole bunch of others. I'm going to make them into little kids, not little kids, but younger style cartoons. So well, I think you're ready to get this lesson beginning because I am ready to share it with you. So if you have your pencil and paper, let's begin this blah of Baby Count Dracula. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.